Need some more. There's plenty. Not some of the turkeys, like, on? Oh, really?
We're getting.
Hi, Thanksgiving.
She's coming right out with the video. What do you think? What do you think? What do you call it? I don't know.
Oh my gosh! Are you not going to be here for Christmas?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I don't even have your room ready.
I'm here. I'm
get rid of that college girl.
I'm here until the 25th, and I go back, and I'll come back the 19th to do the 3rd.
Oh, baby! Oh my goodness! Wow! How can you keep this from me? When did you arrive?
I got here like at 1 o'clock, and then I went to Chris's house.
Who picked you
Chris?
up?
Chris? Huh? And I went to his house, and then Uncle Richard told me when everybody was here, so I came.
Did you know?
No one knew.
Are you for what, a week?
Yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, he's the only one who knew. Him and Chris are the only ones.
I went to keep a secret, you.
No, I got
Oh my goodness! Mark, you didn't know?
I tried calling you to tell you, give me a call when you're going to be here.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe this.